Today we are working on this 2000 watt jump far inverter, or as you may all know it as the sachet inverter. Here over in Nigeria we call it sachet inverter. It's very popular here. So this one was actually sent in for us to maintain because it was damaged. The customer said it was not powering, and we found the damaged MOSFET there. You can see the burnt mark as I highlighted it. So we just quickly had to lose the system and get to work. Understand? So remember to like and follow Voltix on all social media platforms and stay updated with our latest posts. And remember, Voltix is at Rivers State, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So if you have any bad inverters, you can send them over. Now let's continue. We take out the MOSFET. There were two that had similar show of burnt mark, but when we took it out, we found out that only one of them is bad. Yeah, only one was bad. The other one just had the mark, the burnt mark on it, but it was actually good. So we are going to install that one back into the system. Now the MOSFET has three pins: the gate, drain, and the source. So if you don't know how to test the MOSFET, you can go and check out our pinned videos. I make a video on how to test the MOSFET. So check out that video and you understand what we are doing here. Now we check for the balancing of the lines across the two channels of the MOSFET that are driving the transformer. So we are done with that. We installed the other MOSFET that was okay back into the circuit board. Now don't forget, anytime we do repairs, we don't forget to clean. So that one is a compulsory something. Next, we follow up our gate resistors because they are very important. If any of them is bad, it's going to be a serious issue. So we found out that the place that MOSFET was damaged, a gate resistor was actually bad there. A 20 ohms 0805 gate resistor was bad there. So we had to replace them. Note, if you don't have a assembly resistor to replace with it, you can actually use the normal true resistors. You just have to carefully place it so it will not touch with the source line or the positive line. Yeah. So here we have our new MOSFET, which is going to replace the other one that was bad. So carefully install it down and we solder it in place. Now, for those that want to join our WhatsApp group, you can drop your number in the comment section and I will add you up. In that WhatsApp group, you'll meet with other engineers and technicians. You can share knowledge. Installers are there also. So if you have an issue with repairs, they can also assist you. Now we are done with cleaning and testing all those components, and now we are sure of what we have here. So now we move to the next side, confirming again. We've confirmed the channels and everything is now balanced. So we are going to install the board and test it. We installed the insulators in place and we also check them before installation to make sure that there is no one that is torn, because if it's torn and the MOSFET make contact with the body of the inverter, is going to cause a big problem. Understand? So we had to make sure that those ones are okay before installing. Now we couple the remaining sections of the inverter, install the output wire that we desoldered earlier, and put in the screen and switch buttons, including the USB buttons for USB section for charging of phones. We installed all the cables back properly. Now we move over to testing after we've secured the body of the inverter. Now we connect our 12 volts power supply to this inverter and power it up. As you can see, the inverter is now supplying as it's showing on the inverter screen. We have 230 volts on the AC side and the battery line is 12.5 volts. We take our meter and we check the voltage. As you can see, 226, and we also check the frequency 51 Hz and 230 volts. So everything is okay. Now we don't mind putting a load to test it properly, and there you have it. It's supplying, it's powering. So this repair was a success and it's completed.